Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back. Today we'll be looking at how to produce this soap using a very simple, beginner-friendly, cold process soap recipe. My name is Ogechi Madukoma. In case you're meeting me for the first time, let's jump right in. I'll be making this soap using 2 oils. Here comes my tallow oil, and I'll also be making use of palm kernel oil, PKO. And this is my lye solution. Lye solution means caustic soda solution. That is caustic soda that you have poured in water. So I have already fermented it. I've soaked it for like 24 hours. I'm taking the hydrometer reading. I see that the value is higher than 1275. So I've added water to bring the value up to 1275. So you adjust your caustic soda solution using either water or chemical. If the value is higher than 1275 and you want it at 1275, you add more water. If the value is lesser than 1275, then you add more caustic soda to bring it up to 1275. I have a video on how to use hydrometer. I'll be linking it in the description, so you go and watch it. A full video I did on how to use hydrometer, on how to read it correctly. So I'll be linking that video in the description. Just go and watch it. So let's measure our oils. So I've poured in my tallow. Ensure you're not putting in the dirt into your oil. My tallow oil is getting cold already. So I've added my tallow oil is 250 ml. My tallow is 250 ml, so I'll be adding PKO 750 to make it 1 liter. I'll be making a soap batch of 1 liter. So my tallow 250, my PKO 750. I'll be combining both oils. You know, tallow will make your soap strong and last longer when used. And the PKO is the organ of soap, forms very well. So that's my mold and that's my fragrance. So I'll just watch the screen closely. The full recipe will be on the screen, even though I've told you already. So that is it. I'm using my lye solution 500 ml. My oil is 1 liter. I combine them as you saw. Then my fragrance and my color. You can add those ones according to your taste, how you want them to smell or how you want the color to be obvious. So let's jump right into production. I've poured in my oil into my mixing bowl, so I'll pour in my lye solution as well. So I've poured in. So what we need now is to stir. Sincerely, how you stir your soap has a lot to do with your soap. If you stir your soap very, very well, it will give you a better outcome. Most times when you do your soap and you find out that there's water underneath it, it's because you didn't stir very well. So just give it a very good stir until it reaches trace. If you stir well and it reaches trace, you will not see any water underneath it at all. So we are giving this our soap a very, very good stir. In fact, this soap got to thick trace. Just follow me, watch me as I perform this magic.
Good morning, Mama. I've gotten my order. I received it yesterday and they delivered it this morning. I went to go and pick it this morning. Thank you very much.
Adding my fragrance.
I love it. They are so beautiful. Thank you, Ma. This is Mrs. Davis from Benin City. My mentor, my coach. I love this cutter. I love this table cutter, this mini table cutter. I love it.
So I'm adding my color. Remember, we are using an oil-based color. So I need to dissolve my color with oil. So that is what I'm doing now. I've been making a 2-colored soap. So just watch me how I did it. So I poured in the first part into my mold before adding color. Then I added my color and I'll give it a very good stir. This color is not obvious enough, so I'm trying to add more color.
Hi, I'm Nora from Ghana. I ordered this beautiful mold from our Madam Ogechi. See how beautiful it is. It has its two mold and a trimmer. I received it a few days after I paid. And the most interesting thing is that I'm outside Accra. So if you're in Ghana and you want to order from here, don't panic, don't fear about how you will get it. Any region that you are in Ghana, it will surely get to you safely at the comfort of your region. Thank you, ma. God bless you. I'm very much happy. I'm so happy. And it has its shaper. See, it has its shaper at the side. Yes. Thank you, ma. God bless you. It's much beautiful.
This color is not very obvious. It's not giving me what I want. So I needed to add more color again. So I added an orange color to it. Now this is good. Okay, so our soap is ready to go into the mold now. So we are putting it into the mold. See how beautiful this soap butter is, and very, very fluffy. So we are adding it into the mold. So you see when I cut my soap, it will have two colors. It's very intentional. That is the end result I wanted to get. So this is how I got it. So I've shown you something else to do now. This is what you can do.
I've received my pack yesterday in Abia State. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. I received it. Your company will progress in global trust. Your company will go forward to Jesus' name. If you are here to order for your home, please order. She will deliver it unto you. It's very, very fine. As you can see, global mass just. Thank you very much. God bless you. Your company shall go forward in Jesus' name. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Soap molds and cutters on their way for delivery. Can you see? People are rushing, rushing, rushing. If you never buy your own, although you never buy them, these ones are adjustable. You just adjust it from here, whatever size of soap you want to cut. This can cut any size of soap. Can you see? It's adjustable. You just pull, and it's just with minimal effort you can cut your soap. So you adjust it from here. These ones are already on their way for delivery, and these ones are non-adjustable. With just this one mold, this one will give you 104 bars of that Viva 230 gram soap. This one will give you 104, 104. So in one single production, you'll be getting 208 bars in one production, and it's very easy to use. This
So
is the
I'm trying to
cutter. So you
smoothen the
just cut
surface
this
with
way,
a scraper.
cut this way, cut it straight down, and you also cut this way, and your soap bars, and you cut this way, your soap bars will come out sharp sharp. Very easy to use. Just line it with your nylon, pour your soap butter, allow it to solidify, then cut. You're good to go. So just keep those orders coming. Sharp, sharp, sharp. We're here for you. Call me or send me a WhatsApp message on 234
Here comes our
8029
soap.
04 and I get to deliver to you anywhere, even in Ghana, wherever, even in Togo. I've delivered to Togo. I'll always deliver to them. In fact, one of these is going to Ghana. So just keep that order coming and I'll get you delivered to you. Thank you.
Isn't this soap beautiful? If it is beautiful, please comment beautiful. If you love this soap, it is, just say beautiful in the comment. It is very beautiful, very, very beautiful. Can you see? See now, see the finishing. Very beautiful soap and very simple. Beautiful. Anybody can make this soap. Anybody that wants to make soap can make this soap. It's a very simple soap recipe. Anybody can handle this lye because we didn't use the lye hot. It's cold and I just used 2 oils. We are done. You can do this soap using only 1 oil if you want to. We are done. So let's see what happens. Yeah. Here comes our soap. We are back. So let's unmold and cut. Let's unmold and cut. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Can you see the beauty? Can you see the beauty? 2 color, very beautiful. Wow, this soap is so I'm loving it. Is it not beautiful? If it is beautiful, just comment beautiful. If you love it, start giving me a like. And I hope you have liked this video. Give me a like because it's free of charge. Please like this video. Please like this video so that YouTube shows it to more people that needs to learn how to make soap using this very simple recipe. I tell people, it is not because of what you add into your soap that makes your soap strong. 2 things makes your soap strong. Your formulation, especially the amount of water in your soap, and secondly, one is your formulation. That's the amount of water you add, especially, and then your process. Your formulation and process, that is what tells if your soap will be strong or not. See now, I did this soap in less than 3 hours. The soap was strong already, and I used only oil and caustic soda. No soda ash, no sodium sulfate, no sodium silicate, no calcium, nothing. See now, see beautiful soap. Are you going to be trying this out at home? If you try it out, just say yes. Who will be the first to try it out? Please, when you try it out and you get it, please post the picture of the video in the community tab. Let's see it. I want to celebrate you. There's a tab called community here on this channel. Just go there and upload your video. Upload pictures of your soap. I want to celebrate you. So I also sell soap tools. So I sell this wooden soap cutter and the iron cutter, and then I sell silicone molds also. So whatever soap tool you want to buy, just send me a DM on WhatsApp, or send me a DM, or you go to our WhatsApp and chat on and look at our WhatsApp catalog. You see the various tools we have and their prices. If you just go to our WhatsApp and click on our catalog, you see the various tools that we have and their prices. I sell silicone molds, I sell scale, I sell hydrometer, I sell measuring cup, I sell cutters, I sell mold, I sell stamp, manual stamp, machine stamp, I sell mixers, whatever thing you want to think of, anything that can make soap making easy, anything that can make soap making convenient. I am your plug. See now, see beauty. This one was some see beauty. Is this not beautiful? Please comment beautiful, Bikonu now, If it is beautiful, say beautiful. If you like good thing, you like it, say beautiful. Please, is this recipe not simple enough? Is the recipe difficult? Will you try it out? Like I said, if you try it out, please share your video, share your picture in the community tab. Let's build this community together. Please share pictures, Biko. If you have not subscribed to my channel, this is your first time coming here, please do well to subscribe as I give you value on this channel. Also like and share. Thank you.